Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include XM satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, stability control, traction control, and OnStar.